Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at the Home Depot to take another garden tour. If that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, we're looking at some beautiful annuals for our pots, window boxes, and more. So starting with these beautiful petunias, they are $4.98 and all of these beautiful colors. And we know petunias are a monster. They get so big and I love that. I think with a little fertilizer, man, you cannot go wrong with petunias. They love water now, but they are beautiful. So it is a full sun annual. It gets 6 to 18 inches tall. The spacing varies, water when dry, and the habit is mounding. Yes, guys, and this is a Home Depot plant. So this is the beautiful pink or fuchsia. Oh, and that red. Ooh, so beautiful. Alrighty, guys, and Miss Vinca, another powerhouse. Oh, she is gorgeous. Let me tell you, I planted Miss Vinca a couple of years ago, and she just performed, all season long. And I'm really impressed with this plant. So this one is $4.98 as well. It needs full sun. It gets 12 inches tall. The spacing is 8 to 12 inches apart. Water when dry, and the habit is mounding. Oh yes, I have no complaints about Miss Vinca. She is disease resistant and everything, and I love it. Alrighty, the beautiful marigold here. We always need a little yellow. So this one is full sun. It gets 10 to 12 inches tall. The spacing is 4 to 8 inches. Water when dry, and the habit is mounded. Yes. The colors are beautiful together. More Miss Vinca down here. Ooh-wee. This is so pretty, and the leaves are just beautiful. Alrighty, Miss Begonia here for $4.98. This is a shade annual. It gets 8 to 12 inches tall. The spacing is 6 to 8 inches apart. Water when dry, and the habit is mounding. Yes, I like the light leaves on this one. They also have this one with the dark leaves. Yes. Lantana right here in the pencil tree, $29.98. Aren't they beautiful? And look at this hydrangea with the dark leaves. Ooh-wee. So this one is a 14-inch hydrangea. It's first edition. It says Eclipse Big Leaf Hydrangea. So this one needs full sun. It gets 3 to 5 feet tall and wide. The zone is 5 to 9. And it's also good for cutting. Okay. I love the dark leaves on it. It's pretty. Beautiful geranium in the beautiful big pot for $44.98. Okay. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is a trailer petunia for $30. It is a 4.1 gallon pot size. So it gets 12 to 18 inches tall and spacing 18 to 24 inches apart. So yeah, guys, oh, look at that one mixed. Pretty like colors paired together. Oh yes, he did a great job on that. Okay, here's Miss Vinca over here in that huge pot for $27.98. Woo, $27.98. They're not giving us a break, guys. Okay. I guess they say take it or leave it. Alrighty, guys, look at this beautiful, beautiful tropical plant. This is Mandevilla. It is $69.98. It's patio tropical, bright light, full sun. The height varies, the spacing varies, water when dry. Outdoor temperatures 55 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and hardy to 30 degrees. Okay. Such a beauty. This is the hibiscus tree. This one is the pink. That's the price. Okay, well, it blooms late spring to fall. The height is 10 to 15 feet. Spacing 36 to 48 inches. Hardiness, move indoors during winter, not hardy. Water, maintain soil on the dry side, check often. Okay, for this beautiful hibiscus, let's see if I can find the price. The price is $29.98. Alrighty. This beautiful pot shade combo here is $24.98. So this one, it has the begonias and the creeping Jenny. This one is $14.98. Okay, the geranium and I'm not sure, I forgot the name of this, but yes, another mixed one. Ooh, that's pretty. And this one, $14.98 on those, guys. Alrighty, we have the fuchsia for $14.98. The fuchsia gets 18 to 24 inches tall. The spacing is 8 to 12 inches. Attracts hummingbirds and it has outstanding color. Ooh, look at this. This is the begonia, guys. How beautiful. This one is $14.98. Isn't it beautiful? Ooh. And of course, the beautiful dahlia, $14.98 for this sun combo. It says combo, but I only see dahlia in here. Huh. Okay. Alrighty, so the celosa is $4.98 and the celosa is full sun. It gets 10 to 24 inches tall. The spacing is 8 to 10 inches, water when dry, and the habit is upright. The beautiful celosas. Oh, how pretty. So this one is $14.98. The height is 10 to 24 inches. The spacing is 10 inches, and it is gorgeous. Look, guys, we have a little friend. Oh my goodness. It says great for containers, flowers as a finishing touch. Oh my goodness. And we see who likes it, guys. So that's a win-win. The dahlia for $14.98. Okay. Dahlia in the yellow and pink and purple. Ooh, look at this color. Wow, that is beautiful. I like it, guys. If you all made it this far in the video, let me know down in the comments and just say I made it. Or give me a thumbs up. That'll be fine. All right. How beautiful are these hibiscus here? Wow. Ooh-wee. This yellow is calling my name. Oh my word, guys. So these are tropical. So it says the light is bright light, temperature 60 to 75. Repot as needed, fertilize all purpose, applied monthly. So it gets 10 to 15 feet tall and wide. The spacing is 36 to 48 inches. And hardiness, move indoors during winter, not hardy. Okay. Such a beauty. The beautiful pentas here in this beautiful pink, white, and red. It's by Vigoro. All right, Mr. B, move. It is $5.98. It needs full sun. The height is 15 to 24. The spacing is 4 to 6. Water when dry, and the habit is upright. For this beautiful pentas. The garden flock, it is a perennial. It needs full sun. It gets 24 to 40 inches. The spacing is 18 to 24 inches. Water when dry, hardy -30, and it blooms early summer to fall. Okay. Never planted these before, but I see them in my neighbor's yard, and they are beautiful. And they come back year after year. Ooh-wee. Look at these beautiful Asiatic lilies, guys. Woo! $9.98. And they are perennials. Okay. Russian sage. Another perennial for $9.98. Russian sage needs full sun. The habit is upright. The height is 35 to 48 inches. The spacing is 24 to 30. Water when dry, hardy -20. Blooms midsummer to fall. Another whimsical plant. Yes, love this one. I think I've gone over this one in the all perennial video, which would be before this one. If you have not seen that video, go and watch that one, guys. I think you'll enjoy it. It's on all perennials. So this is one of them here. This one is the Asiatic lily. It is the tiny series for $9.98. It needs full sun. The habit is clumping. The height is 14 to 16 inches. Space 12 inches. Water when dry, hardy -30, and blooms early to late summer. Okay. Alrighty. We have a few pots up here by Bigelow, and these are the caliber corals for $19.98. We also have the petunias for $19.98. More petunias over there. The Dipladenias are $6.98, and they are beautiful. This is the pink one, and this one is the red one. I'm in the mood for red this year, guys. This is a 1.5 pint size, and let's get a few specs. So it needs 4 hours of sun, water as needed, pinch back to shape as needed, blooms spring through fall, and it gets 12 to 24 inches tall. Yeah, for the Dipladenia. Oh yeah. We also have this one. It's the 1 gallon for $12.98. It's Dipladenia. It's a 2.5 gallon size. It is called a Carnival of Blooms. It says it's a Carnival of Blooms for $36.98. This one has the grass. Okay. You even have the white ones. Okay. And we have these over. This one is $19.98. This is a 0.9 gallon. 0.9 gallon. I don't think I've ever seen that before. 0.9. Okay. Alrighty, guys. This is the Samba Dipladenia. It is $8.98. It says water as needed. It needs 4 to 6 hours of daily sun. Apply all-purpose plant food every 2 weeks. It blooms spring to autumn, and it gets 12 to 24 inches tall and wide. Okay. Nice. I like it. These ferns are $9.98. These are the Sun Queen Emerald Queen Fern. This is a 2-quart size. How big does these get? Let's see. 36 inches in height and in width. Shade to part sun. Ideal for containers and garden beds. And let me tell you, ferns, oh my goodness. These ferns, they go with everything. Every plant you can think of, a fern pairs very well with them. And I love a fern. Okay, so here, guys, we have the Hawaiian Punch Hibiscus for $9.98. Okay, so this one is an annual. It needs 6 hours of sun. It blooms spring to autumn. It gets 12 to 14 inches tall and wide. The Hawaiian Punch. Such a cutie. Alrighty, friends, so over here are more affordable plants that you can use in your flower bed or even in your pots. And these over here, you can get an 8-pack for $3.98. They have the petunias, the impatiens, the vinca, and more petunias. They also have the 12-pack and all of the annuals I just went over. Okay. And they have the individual ones for $1.98. This is a one pint size. Okay. So yeah, guys, we have options here. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at the Home Depot. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so very much for supporting my channel. I appreciate everyone that is ordering from my link that is in my description. Thank you, thank you, thank you with the cherry on top. I appreciate you all. And until next time, you all be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next one.